you know, I'm suffering severe heart problems now. Every day I wake up because of these people. So, and just so you are aware of what these people are doing, okay? This guy, he knows what he's doing. He is a military agent, okay? This guy is not some joke. You think some joke is driving around with a siren making this noise? This guy's a military agent plotting attacks on people to make them have heart attacks using loud noises that this guy has made. He is definitely doing this. I am in agonizing heart pain every day I wake up. Every day I wake up now because of this man. Okay, this guy is doing military tests to make people have heart attacks. That is what he's doing. There are multiple people who died in my building, and this man is responsible. Okay, he is killing people.